Hey, in today's video, I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of the National Bonds My Plan and whether you should or should not invest in the My Plan. My Plan is a savings plan offered by National Bonds and it allows you to save a certain amount every single month on autopilot. One of my favorite features with My Plan is that you can start investing with My Plan for as little as 100 dirhams per month. Now, this is accessible to every single person. You have no excuses to go and start right away. To get started, you'll have to visit your nearest National Bonds office and you'll have to inform them that you need to sign up for National Bonds. They'll give you a couple of forms. You need to fill them up. The first form is for you to sign up for the National Bonds itself. And the second form is actually giving your bank permission to debit money from your account directly and deposit into your National Bond savings account. Now, to get signed up with My Plan, National Bonds does tell you that you can do it over the phone or over the mobile app or on the website. But in my experience, this has been a little bit finicky. So my recommendation is to go to the office. But if you don't want to, there are other options. When you sign up for National Bonds My Plan, you have a minimum term that you need to sign up for. And the minimum term in this case is 1 year. Now, once your 1 year is completed, you can either decide to continue or you can decide to cancel the My Plan. Just know that as soon as you cancel the direct debit, your My Plan will get converted to savings bond and you will lose the benefits of having that My Plan going on. Now, what if you need to cancel the My Plan before your 1 year period? Now, by doing this, you'll be paying a 0.5% subscription fee on the total amount that you've committed over the period of 1 year. So keep that in mind when you do this. Your calculation should be 0.5% on the entire 12 months of commitment that you've given National Bonds. So for example, if you committed 100 dirhams per month, that's 1,200 dirhams over a period of 12 months. And your 0.5% will be on 1,200 and not on the balance 2 months if you've already completed, let's say 10 months, for example. Now, if you've done the calculation, you know that 5% of 1,200 dirhams is 6 dirhams. Just know that there is a minimum subscription fee of 15 dirhams. So even though you will actually have to pay 6 dirhams, you'll actually end up paying 15 dirhams because that's the minimum. However, after the completion of your 1 year term, there are no cancellation fees, there are no subscription fees or withdrawal fees or any other fees. You're free to withdraw as and when you like after your 1 year term. So in order to cancel the My Plan, if that's what you decide to do, you'll have to visit the National Bonds office and inform them that you would like to discontinue. I do believe that you can do this over the phone as well with the National Bonds customer care department. Now let's say that you've committed to 100 dirhams per month and after a few months you've decided to up it to 500 dirhams per month. National Bonds actually doesn't allow you to change the mandate. However, they do allow you to go and create a new mandate and in effect you will have the same result. Now let's say you completed your 1 year term and you want to continue using the My Plan. You have nothing to do, you have nothing to worry about. It will continue as normal as per usual. Now the redemption process is fairly simple. They'll prepare a check in your name. Just know that you have to call the customer care to get this ready and it does take a couple of working days for them to get it ready. So don't just walk into the office. That will not work. You can either collect your check from one of the National Bonds offices or you can instruct them to send the check over to one of your exchange houses close by to you. Now you might be asking yourself, why do I have to sign up for My Plan? Why don't I just go to the exchange house and purchase some bonds? Why don't I just open up my National Bonds app and purchase some bonds? The simple answer is you will multiply your chances of winning those amazing draws offered by National Bonds. As you can see here, if you're not enrolled for My Plan, if you're holding anything below 25,000 dirhams, you're not at all eligible for the 1 million dirham draw. Likewise, you're not eligible for the Nissan petrol draw as well. Now for the Tesla draw, if you're not holding more than 5,000 dirhams, you're not eligible for the Tesla draw at all. And likewise for the 5,000 dirhams draw. Even for the 500 dirham draw and for the 50 dirham draw, you need to be holding a minimum of 1,000 dirhams in your National Bonds account. Now if you need to get 2 chances per bond that you hold for each and every price, as you can see, you need to be holding a minimum of 50,000 dirhams across your portfolio. For most of us, that's quite a big amount. If you need to pause this video and go through all of the information and all of the tiers, please go ahead and do so. If you don't mind, please leave a like down below. It really helps me out if you are finding value from this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel as well. Now coming to your chances of winning those amazing draws if you are enrolled with My Plan. As you can see, straight away with that minimum amount of 100 per month, you will immediately be eligible to that 1 million dirham draw immediately after your first 100 dirham payment. In fact, since each bond is valued at 10 dirhams, you now have 10 bonds, and that means 10 times 2, you now have 20 chances of winning that 1 million dirham prize immediately after your first payment. Not only that, as you can see, if you are holding your bonds for 1 year, you have 2 times the chances per bond. If you're holding it for the second year, you have 3 times the chances per bond. And if you're holding it for more than 24 months, you have 4 times the chances to win all of those prizes for every single bond that you own. Now, if you're interested in getting 30 times the chances of winning these amazing prizes, check out my National Bonds second salary video, or if you've already seen that, check out this video. If I've not covered something, or if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. As I said earlier, please leave a like down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.